Hey everybody, I got here a 2005 Yukon XL SLT, doesn't really matter. I bought this truck about 2 weeks ago now and 200,000 miles on it. It's a 15-year-old truck, great shape, little clear coat damage, little squeakiness here and there. I put some new tires on it, no big deal. I read a lot of forums with some squeakiness. I was experiencing a lot of squeaky everywhere I went. Doesn't matter if the car was on or off. I could kick the tire when the car was off and it would just be this annoying squeak sound. I really thought it was my brand new alternator here, that I thought maybe the bolts weren't tightened. I tried that. I thought it was possibly my tension pulley down here, so I lubed up my belts. Didn't do anything. I finally went crazy one day and I found out that it looks like this hose right here has this little rubber coupling on it. Goes all the way down to about right here. And right here, I pulled this plastic up and over because this little rubber piece was rubbing right up against another piece. So I know it's kind of hard to see this guy right here, a hose that runs up here has a little metal piece right at the bottom of it, and it was rubbing on this bracket right below it. Just a bunch of metal squeaking. I took this guy, shoved it up underneath there, and I have now been squeak free for 2 days, and I hope it continues. I know a lot of people had squeaking in other parts of their vehicle or their shocks or their ball joints, and they had to grease them up and lube this and WD-40 that. For people who don't have that issue and tried everything else, this little hose here has a little metal piece on it, and that was rubbing up against the metal piece that is underneath right here. And that was it. Solved my squeaking problem. Hopefully it does the same for you guys. Thumbs up.